Understanding Kohl Liner in English. Hello there, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and cosmetics to understand the phrase Kohl Liner. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how it's used in everyday conversations. Kohl liner is made up of two words, kohl and liner. 1. Kohl. Originally, kohl referred to a powder made from crushed antimony, galena, and other minerals. It has been used since ancient times, especially in regions like the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia, to darken the eyelids and as mascara for the eyelashes. 2. Liner. In the context of cosmetics, a liner typically means a product used to outline or define a specific part of the face. For example, an eyeliner is used to define the eyes. So, when combined, Kohl liner refers to a cosmetic product used to define and darken the eyelids or the base of the eyelashes. Kohl liners can come in various forms. 1. Pencil form. This is the most common form. It looks like a pencil and can be sharpened. Users draw along their eyelids to give definition. 2. Powder form. Some people use kohl in its traditional powdered form, applying it with a brush or stick. 3. Gel or liquid form. These are more modern versions and are applied with a brush for a smooth, precise line. Regardless of the form, the primary purpose remains the same, to enhance and define the eyes. To ensure you understand the usage of Kohl liner in context, here are some sample sentences. 1. I just bought a new Kohl liner. It makes my eyes pop. 2. She prefers Kohl liner over liquid eyeliner because it gives a softer look. 3. Using Kohl liner can give your eyes an exotic and dramatic effect. That's a wrap on Kohl liner. Next time you hear this term or come across it in a beauty store, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your English vocabulary. Stay curious and keep learning.